Hey everyone, this is Sahar. Let's try this fall painting by Serenity Art. I'm starting by dipping my brush in some light blue and dark blue paint. It's very important to dip your brush in both colors. If you use one color, it can look kind of flat, but if you mix two colors, it adds more depth to your work. And you just want to go in a continuous motion. So now with my same brush, I'm going in with some green and brown paint to paint the grass. With my dark brown and white paint, I'm going to start painting my tree. The trick is to make it look like a letter Y and then build more branches from that. You want to make sure that your branches get thinner as you go out. So now I'm going to get my thinner brush and dip it in my red and orange paint and lightly dab my brush on the edge of my branches. You can add some yellow, let's paint our moon. Oops, I accidentally added too much paint. So I'm going to take a paper towel and dab off the excess paint that I don't want. It's okay to make mistakes. You can always cover them up. Now I'm going to repaint my leaves again. Let's add some falling leaves. Really try to build that color. Use your finger in a circular motion to smudge out the edge of your moon. And now let's add some final touches to the grass. I hope you had fun. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. You can also support me on my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video.